What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna see the difference between the Eco mode and the Sport mode. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is my Corolla. This is a 2017 Corolla and it's a 4 cylinders and it has Eco mode and Sport mode. So we're gonna see the difference right now. We're gonna do it on 0 to 60 in Eco mode and then 0 to 60 in Sport mode. Okay, for those who has a car with Sport mode on the Corolla, it's right here. It's a button, and you can see it right there. This is the Sport mode. So right now we're gonna test it. We're gonna drive to a place where there's no car so we can test it. Okay guys, now we're gonna test the 0 to 60 on the Corolla in this road. Let me see if you can see it. This one looks pretty empty, so this is the Corolla. I do have the muffler on this one, so it's gonna sound a little bit louder than the stock Corolla, but the engine is the stock engine, so it's gonna look the same. I mean, it's the same power as the stock Corolla. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Go back a little bit. Seat belts, safety first. Okay, let me drive a little bit more so I can have more track. Okay, now let's wait for that truck to move. I'm gonna put a timer so we can see how long it will take to go 0 to 60, okay? And 2. Okay, that was on the Eco mode. So now let's test it on the Sport mode. Okay, it felt fast, but maybe it's because I don't know if I gained more power because on the muffler. I'm not sure, but now let's do it on the Sport mode. After I test both, I will give you my opinion on which one feels better or what I felt different. What difference it feels, okay, on each mode. Okay, so no car is coming. So now let's put it on Sport mode. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Okay. It went 0 to 60 faster because there's a road that I passed and that one it went 60 miles fast, 0 to 60 I think in less time. I'm gonna put the timer, okay? So my opinion. Okay guys, I think it's a little bit more fun when you use the sport mode. Okay, the car will respond faster, RPMs go longer, and it will hold longer the gears for the transmission. But it's not that much power, okay? The Corolla is a slow car, but it feels like more fun when you put the sport mode. I like it to use it today, so I might be using it more, but only when like you're in a hurry or you wanna have a little bit of fun. So that's when I'm gonna use it. So in your opinion, put in the comments what do you think? Do you use the sport mode often or you never use it? Put it on the comments and let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one, okay? See you on the next video. Okay, I'm here at the gas station, so these are the prices here of the gas. So if you wanna use the eco mode, use the eco mode so you can save more gas. So with the sport mode, it'll drink more gas, the car.